Hey guys, so you probably can't tell because it looks quite dark in here, but I'm having a massage and it's good because it's just nice to have some relaxing sort of time. I'm not exactly sure of the name of this place, but I will put it below. Yeah, it's just quite serene. I think that, yeah, it's quite a relaxing sort of environment, so I am looking forward to it. Check out my drink. This is called the Black Dragon. How cool is this cocktail? Hi guys, so here I am in Mid Valley City at the Gardens Mall, I believe. I'm not sure what happened to the audio here, but I had a chance to duck into a couple of the stores here before having dinner with a friend. So behind me you can see Hermes, so I definitely have to go and check it out. How gorgeous! I love their cashmere. Oh my gosh, I love this. Of course it is 29,700 ringgit. Trust me to pick the most expensive thing. I don't think this one's new. That's the Twilane. Just show you some stuff here. So this is what I'm wearing, guys. My Zimmermann dress, which I absolutely love. And just beautiful, beautiful items. Now, with Hermes ready to wear, I'm slowly getting into it. I love their quality though. Just not sure what piece I would start off with. So, just gorgeous. This is the sneaker. Oh, the Polo. It is the Polo. I wonder if they have the white. I should ask if they have the white in that. Not sure. I think that's a new style. You guys have seen all this. The mule. And these shoes too, which I've seen actually already before. What do you guys think of this sneaker on me? You know, I'm not a sneaker person, but these are really comfortable. I actually haven't seen them in black. I don't think we got them in black in Melbourne, just the white. What do you guys think? Can I pull it off? This is some of the stock that they have in the store. As you know, not a lot of stock. And this is the bag stock that they have. So some Guys, some Lindy's, Hermes, and an Her bag. As you can see, guys, I did pick up a little something which I will be unboxing soon. And I'm off to check out Louis Vuitton here. And I think what I'm saying here is I'm not sure if they will let me film, but I'm going to try anyway for you guys. So let's go. So yes, that's the new collection, the Wave collection, and also some of the Patches collection. I'm not exactly sure of the name, but let's take a closer look. So guys, this is my favorite of the lot. This is the wristlet. How cute is this? I love the patchwork. I think out of the whole collection, this is my favorite. Yeah, I think that's really cute. This is what the new Wave bag looks on me. It actually looks a lot nicer on. And then you can also wear it like this if you want, on the crook of your arm. What do you guys think? The handle, honestly guys, this is actually a lot nicer in real life. The grained leather is pretty durable, and inside it is in microfiber lining. What does it have? One pocket, yeah, and one slip pocket here. It is quite cute, better than I thought. I'm going to try this style now. I don't know what this style is called, but let's go give it a go. This is a little cute style for those of you wanting something monogram with a touch of red. I don't know the name of this, but I will insert the name here. And I believe you can wear it. Can you wear it? Yes. You can wear it as a crossbody as well. It's pretty long as a crossbody though. That's what it looks like crossbody on me. Goes flat like this, the handle. And then, yeah, it's like got a zipper compartment here. I mean, not zipper compartment, it's got a... Mel, can you even talk? It's got a compartment here, it's got a compartment here, and then a center zipper compartment, which is really hard to do one-handed. So I think it looks small, but probably can pack quite a lot. Love the new twist. This is in color sesame and black. It's a new colorway. And look at this detail with the twist. You've got the shiny gold and the matte gold, which I think is a gorgeous, gorgeous detailing. I've always been a fan of the twist, but do I really need another bag? I've got the couple scenes, which is a really similar color. Such a nice neutral. I love it. What do you guys think? I actually really like this color. Here you go, guys. Here are some of the shoes, backpack, loafers, more loafers. Oh, white as well. I think this is old. I don't think any of this is new. Though they've got some of the sandals which I haven't seen. Well, these ones I haven't seen anyway. And then some of the just sneakers. Here guys, it's actually at like almost 1 a.m. and look how busy this street is with food. They still got like night food and there's all like seafood and everything. So you gotta have a midnight snack while you're here, right? And eat at the local food stalls. These Fendi sunglasses. I'll show you what they look like on me and you tell me your thoughts. It's hard to say. What do you think? I like the side sort of detail. I'm going to flip the camera around. Yeah. What do you think? Do you guys like this just plain Saint Laurent one with YSL here? What do you think? Too plain? Hi guys! So my Malaysia trip has come to an end. It was very, very quick. I really honestly did not vlog much because the first few days was just spending time with family. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the shopping vlog and I will do my unboxings. I didn't buy a huge amount, but I did buy some goodies. So if you like these type of travel vlogs, please give this video a thumbs up and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys!